Contestant number 1.
God, the catfish is the for Fenya. There's yes, you sing out for that. You want challenge. They do good. Yeah, I saw the same brother. If you like, turn to crocodile.
Contestant number 3.
Hey! If you don't break leg, now there you go understand say Nigeria no be Ghana. I saw go both of them.
Thank you.
Number 4.
Everybody must follow me now.
Contestant number 5. Contestant number 5.
Okay, now my boss will be the top of the
Contestant number 5.
what can make you a plan to carry the man? People where they contest this thing for us before, they know they shout like this. You don't need your own. You be bingo. Why not you be clapping? What are now one? No, of the contest.
Miss Diaspora.
Oh yes, that is where I am. Miss Diaspora. From the year 1944, I have been winning Miss Diaspora USA Nigeria for almost all the years. And this year I decided to give it out to my beautiful sister. You can see her name. Ugomma Ogbonnaya, a beautiful daughter from Abia State, my wife's sister. So I said no. How often I have given it out to somebody else? I have won enough. Let Ugomma win this year's contest and contestant and Miss Diaspora USA Nigeria. So please, I want everybody, even all of you that are our panel of Georgia, I want all of you to go on her page now, link on the bio behind this my post, and then like her photo, comment on her photo, then click on that link. It will take you to where you will vote. If this girl from Abia State didn't win, that means my wife back to her place. I want everybody to vote for Goma. Goma deserves it. She's supposed to win. She has won. She will win. Her in-law won before, and my in-law too will win. Yeah, in-law win, in-laws winning. Have I spoken your mind? Please, I want everybody to vote. Vote so that you will not be voted out. That is it. Check it out.
Come. Can you turn?
Come. I'm reading turning. Got it turn. I'm giving a turn. Will I turn the steering a turn? Don't you know you turn gradually? That is what makes you a pageant. I won't die blank and if you want to turn, you turn romantically. You turn so grievingly so that people will understand you're turning of pattern. You don't just turn. You can wait. Wait too much somebody who has been winning for over 40 something years. This is our pattern. You got to get it done. That's how we do it. That's why you can
go.
Oh, you can go. We are going to go for
my sister. Have you win her already?
Go.
You collect the result.
We'll call you. No.
I look at my life up a show.
We are going to vote for your sister, Ugomma.
Please, it's very, very important. Everybody should vote for Ugomma. What did I say you people should do?
Vote for Ugomma.
Ugomma. There is no way you can stand and contest with that beautiful dancer. Somebody who was born and raised abroad. Come on, move, let me see you. Move. Who got all the can pull off for? Go there and remain there, don't come back. Oh yeah, quick back. Chicken boss. Look at her. Mbasibe. Dede, egbe. Akoko. Oh, what even go her. If you don't know your size, you miss it. You can climb one top of mountain, but you go. What are you going to do for my canvas? Eba canvas, be a budget. Idiot of no comparison. Common fashion, you don't know. And then you canvas, I got fashion parade. Your canvas have already dismissed you. Who man we vote for? Who man we vote for?
Come and get your award.
When bike up straight, we will never bend. That's how they take work. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this.
Okay, this way. Come, let's give come on, stand here.
Don't come close to me. I don't know who my club so you stay far away. You mention it, I pick it. You know that I rape.
What to do?
Present to one was a win, but they win and they present. I'm fear of you.
Ukoma is already the winner.
Eh?
Yes, Ukoma is already the winner. Come, let's present the gift.
She's already the winner.
Yes.
Hey!
Everybody is voting for her already.
The winner of Diaspora, Nigerian.
Yes. Now,
You can come close to me as long as she has won. Oh my God.
Oh, this is
congratulations.
congratulations to Goma Obunaya,
Yes.
Diaspora, Nigeria, US.
You are the
Oh.
president.
I am the president.
Congratulations.
Oh, yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations once again.
Are you a Libya before?
Why are you bouncing?
Our winning dancer. You get that in the do. Come and clap for your fellow winner.
Yes. Congratulations.
You can do it. You can do it.
So, everybody should vote for.
So you can move.
There you go.
Get out. Come and sit up. See how. And then go ahead and